Okay, we've got everybody.
Yay.
Yay!
Okay, we're
Yay.
good. And we're recording, so we're good to go. Everything should be fine.
Awesome.
Okay.
Okay, so for the first part, so he recommended that we kind of have like somebody be a leader, so I'll do that today.
Oh, good.
And then tomorrow, or our next group meeting on Monday, we'll have maybe like you, Teresa, if you want to do it.
Okay.
If that sounds good.
Okay.
So,
I didn't hear any of that because it was just completely muffled the whole time.
okay, so I'm just gonna group lead today, if that makes sense for you.
Okay.
So I'll go through everything, and I'll just kind of push the discussion, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So we're gonna go to part 2 on our little papers. That for preparation, and so for this part, we have to download the Mystery Investments Opportunity SPSS. I don't know if you guys have downloaded that yet.
I haven't.
I think I did.
So
that was on the homework, right? Or
yeah.
The individual prep?
Individual prep at the bottom. At the bottom of individual prep.
Yeah, I think I have it.
Yep, open that up.
Okay.
Okay, do you have that, Mackenzie?
Yeah, it's opening, but my computer is being kind of slow.
Okay.
Hello? Did you find it right?
Oh
Okay.
no, what happened?
Okay, perfect. Tom, thanks. I'm sorry. Sorry. I messed up on my carpool, so anyway.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Okay, so if you have that open, we'll go ahead and make a graph out of the first group of that. So I don't know if you were able to do it before, but you just go to graphs and then click legacy dialog and then make a histogram at the bottom.
Are we making histograms right now?
Oh
Yeah. In that mystery company or whatever it's called, mystery investment opportunity, make a histogram for group A.
Okay.
Wait. So I clicked on histogram, but I don't know what to do after that.
Okay, so after you click histogram, it should give you an option to click year A, B, C, D, E.
Okay,
Click A.
Okay, yeah.
And then there's a little arrow pointing over, and then click OK.
Oh, all right. Oh. Right.
Okay, so when we create that, it'll tell us what the mean is and what the standard deviation is.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we need to do is find the mean, the standard deviation, and the sample size. Now, I need to look real quick. Oh, sample size is the N.
Yeah, it's the N.
Yep. So we'll write that down for company A right now. So our mean is 21.28. Our standard deviation is 37.679, and our sample size is 41.
Where are you writing this down?
Just in your individual preparation, like right here.
Oh.
I find it easier to just print those off, but
Yeah.
if you have it on your laptop, you can just fill it in there too.
Okay.
So when I kind of went over this earlier just to see if I could figure out how to do it,
Yeah.
and instead of doing a histogram for it, I did one of the other things, and it gave me like the number, you know, the boxes that has like the median, mean,
Yeah.
Anyway, and it gave me a bigger number that's not rounded off. So I don't know if that matters. This looks like the best way to do it because it has them all right there. Obviously.
Right. Yeah. So this is the way that the book talked about, but I think you can do it like a ton of different other ways. But
Okay.
I think this
No,
one's
this is smart.
Yeah.
You can see it all right there.
So that works like that, and then in number 7 on the group preparation, it asks us to make those graphs and have them. But
Right.
I mean,
So
we're
we
looking.
also have them.
Yeah. So we have them now, but you can't like really write those down, but you can look at them. So then we're going to go back now to that first page and click A out, so you're getting rid of A, and you want to put B in there now.
So you just put a reset on there.
Yeah, you can either click reset, I think, or yeah, reset works the best. So, and then click B, and it should just make another graph under your A.
Right.
And then we've got our mean there, which is 33.48. Standard deviation is 49.311. And our population parameter is 25, or sample size, sorry.
Right.
Okay, and then...
Okay, where does it say to get, like, to graph B? I'm really sorry that I don't get that.
No, you're fine. Go back to where you made your, go click graphs again, and then go down and click legacy dialogues, and then go to histogram.
Oh, alright, do that all again.
Yeah, I
Yes,
just
do
have
that
to do
hologram.
it for each of them.
Okay, so I'm clicking on B, but,
You have to reset it.
okay,
Go down the bottom and reset.
alright.
And then
Okay, got it.
Okay. Yep, so reset, then do B. Write down those, and then we'll go to C if you're ready.
Okay.
D 71, 21.
So C's mean is 41.12. Standard deviation is 79.177. And population sample size is 27. Okay. Everybody get those?
Yes.
Okay, reset, and we'll go to D. Write those down. This one's is that a .71?
Yeah,
Is
it's
that
a
what everyone's saying?
0.71.
Okay. Okay. And then everybody ready for the next one?
Yep. Are you good, Kenzie?
Yep.
Okay, E. $32. Okay. Did everybody get those written down?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so we've got the histogram, compare your results you obtained with others in your group, describe the differences and similarities between the different graphs. So, I mean, the only, what do you guys see is the same and what's different with each of these graphs?
Well, trying to make them small so I can see them all at the same time.
Yeah.
Mm,
Some of them are like left shifted,
Right.
some of them are right shifted, some of them are bell shaped, I guess, whatever.
Multifocal or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the one, the multifocal.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. If you were saving for retirement, which of these 5 companies would be the most attractive investment? And justify our answer.
The one with the highest mean.
Yeah, because they're going to produce consistently at least the most, probably.
Right.
So which one has the highest mean? Let's see.
I think it's
Company C?
C or B or have pretty decent ones.
Yeah, B's pretty good. C's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, so with standard deviation, is it better to be less?
Less deviated?
Yes.
Well, I don't know. I think in the money, I mean, what we're doing right now is looking at stocks, right?
Right.
And so, I mean, I don't know. Are BNC, where are their standard deviations at? They're more.
Yeah, they're more. They're more than everybody else's. So I'm wondering if that matters.
Yeah, I don't know. Because it's the variance from the mean, and so there's high and lows, but maybe because there's such highs and such
That's
lows
good.
that drags the mean up.
Yeah,
You
that
see
might
what
be
I'm
a good
saying?
thing. Yeah, that might be a good thing in this, which makes the graph more, I guess, curved or different
Yeah.
shapes. Okay, that's
Right.
cool with me. That works
Yeah.
good. If you were saving for retirement, which of these 4 companies would be most attractive investment?
So B or C.
Yeah.
Because you get probably the best.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, because that's because if you save your retirement, you're looking more the long run. So your mean is going to be the best case scenario there, probably.
Right. Because what the average or what the average is that you get back is your mean, right? Is your average.
Yes. Yeah. And for the long run, if the company's averaging a lot, then that's a good thing for
Right.
a retirement plan.
Right.
Okay. Any questions there? Okay.
Nope.
Any questions, Mackenzie?
No.
Okay, cool. So the last thing is, this says complete the following when the TA instructed by the TA. We don't have a TA, but let's see if we can create it. So it says create a table to compute the standard deviation by hand using the severe cases of blur flu data, which is found in the online textbook. Describe the quantitative data, shape, center, and spread.
So you just go into the online textbook down
Yeah.
to the bird flu thing, right?
Yeah, I would think so. Because, like, if you go to your homework, there was a wrong patient data thing, and it'll take you to the page that has all of the stuff on it.
Right. But this one's different because I actually looked at it before and I was looking for something like that. But it's one that they just put on here and gave us data.
Okay,
It's
so where's it at?
down. I don't know.
It's in
Down
the
right
textbook?
under the seal, picture of the seal, and then there's a picture of a bird. It's like
okay.
a little bit more than halfway down.
I think I remember this when I was reading.
And there's a relatively uncomplicated cases and then a severe cases box. You see that?
Yes, I see that. Yep.
So I think we're supposed to put the severe cases and then create this little thingy.
At the bottom.
So, like, you know, the observation column,
Yes.
we probably put the 39.1, 39.5 along
Yes.
that.
So put that into SPSP or SPSS.
Well, I think they want us to do it by hand.
Oh,
Is that
okay.
right?
Yeah, I think, yeah, you're probably right then. Yeah, so that would make sense. So
So
39.
we just write it in the column.
Yep. So 39.1, 39.5.
Those ones go in column 1.
Yeah,
Yep.
they all go in column 1.
Okay.
38.9.
Right.
39.2. 39.9. 39.7 and 39.0. Okay, so deviation from mean. Oh, so we have to find the mean first of all those points.
Right, so we add that, right? And divide
Yeah,
them.
add it all up and divide it by
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the number we're
Yeah.
dividing, right?
Yep. Okay.
Wow, you're fast.
What did you get?
I got 39.329.
Then did
Okay,
you?
me too.
Yep, me too.
Okay.
329. Okay.
Okay, so then is it to get the deviation from the mean, do we divide our number from the mean?
No, it's super easy. You just get the mean and you minus it.
Oh, it's a minus. Okay.
Yep.
So minus our number from the mean, or the mean from our
So you
number?
go 39.1 minus 39.329. So you put
okay.
the observation number first, and then you minus it from the mean.
Okay, makes sense.
Because that way that will be a negative number. Because
What do you do?
do you remember on the homework or the textbook where it was showing you put a line down?
No, I can't hear.
Are you off? I don't see you.
She's frozen.
She's frozen.
She's getting
I wonder if she has crappy Wi-Fi.
something of the sort.
Yeah.
Okay, Mackenzie, come back, please. Student housing Wi-Fi is never that good.
There she is. Are you back?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I couldn't hear you for most of that.
Yeah, you're freezing a lot.
Okay, great.
Your Wi-Fi just must be medium, huh?
Yeah. Okay. So.
Do you remember in the online textbook where it showed you put a line down for the mean, and then the variables you put arrows out too, and so you can see how far all the variations are from the mean? Do you remember that at all?
Not really.
Anyway,
but this is
all we're
what
trying
you need to understand.
is the difference between what the mean is and all the different other temperatures.
So subtract your number in that first column minus the mean.
Right. So you have to do the number in the column first because some of them are going to be negative and some of them are going to be positive. So you have to always put the number first, then minus the mean.
Oh, so 39.1 minus the mean?
Yes.
Right, minus 39.329. And that will be a negative number.
Okay. All right, I get that.
For the second one, it's not negative.
Right. Because it's higher temperature than the mean.
Yeah.
So they're not all negative though, right?
No.
Right.
Okay. Making sure.
Okay. Ready when you guys are.
Okay.
Okay.
You got it all, Mackenzie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'll read off what I got, and then we'll just compare. So the first one I got negative 0.229. What everyone got?
So I just did like 2 decimal points. Like I rounded the mean to 39.33.
Okay, yeah, that's either way. So I got negative.
I don't know if you'll get the same answers though.
Well, it's so how many are you supposed to do it? A certain number of.
I think the book recommended you do it 3 decimal places.
All right. Okay.
But
Okay.
Okay, so then I got 0.171. Just stop me if you guys got a different answer.
Okay.
Negative 0.429, negative 0.129, 0.571, 0.371, and then negative 0.329.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, so then we are supposed to take the sum of those.
Right, but that always equals 0. It's supposed to.
It is supposed to.
It's supposed to always equal 0 because that's why we have to do the third column and square them, because it just doesn't work out unless you square them.
Oh, okay. So that'll be 0.
So those will always equal 0. So if they're right, then you'll add them up and they'll equal 0. The sum will be 0.
Oh, okay, cool.
So, I mean, you can do it just to make sure.
I actually just did, and it did equal 0 in my calculator.
Good, perfect.
So, so then we want to square these. Is that the next one we do?
Yeah. So we just take the number like point, and when you square them, a negative and a negative is positive, so they're all going to turn out positive.
Okay.
So we're just going to go 0.229 squared.
0.052.
Yep.
Okay. 0.171 squared.
Squared.
0.0293.
Yeah, I think we can stop at
29,
29, right?
29. Yeah, you're right. That's 3. Okay. 0.429 squared. 0.24.
No.
Oh, yeah, that's wrong. Where am I getting this? 0.429 squared. 0.184.
That's what I have.
Okay.
Zero 0.17.
16.
And are you lost or are you okay?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Did you get 0.017?
Yep.
Okay. .326.
Yep.
.138.
Yep.
0.108.
Right. Hey, please step it.
Did you get 0.108?
Yep.
Okay. And then we'll add all those ones up, because those ones shouldn't equal 0, correct?
Right. Right. Hey, Casey. Hey, stop it. Oh no. I messed up.
Okay, I got 0.854.
That's what I got.
Cool. So, do you know how to calculate the variance? Do you remember how to do that? Okay.
I do. So you go n, which is the number of subjects, which is 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
Minus 1. So the bottom number is going to be 6, and then the top number is going to be the sum that we just got, 0.854. So you divide
those.
0.854 divided by 6.
6. So 0.142
is the variance. Right.
And then do you square that for the deviation?
Yep, you just, let me think it's square. No, you take the square root of that.
Oh, the square root of that. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So it's kind of just a backwards way to get the original number, but for some reason it just equals 0 when you do it that way, so you have to kind of...
Okay, so did you get 0.377?
Yes.
Cool. Okay, that's everything's good. I think that's all we had to do there, so we can open up our group quiz now and work on that.
Great.
Okay. Okay, so for the group quiz, we need to open up the wrong site, wrong patient data for SPSS.
Okay.
So there should be a link to it if you click on group quiz. Okay, does everybody have that open?
Just a second.
Yeah, my iLearn is like not really working. Okay. Oh my gosh. Sorry, my computer's being so slow.
Okay. I'm just trying to manipulate all my different things open on my computer. Okay.
Yeah, okay, I'm there.
Okay, so make a histogram, because the first two questions are if we participated, if you did the preparation, but then the first question is find the mean amount hospitals had to pay.
So we're making a histogram.
Yep. Because it'll tell us the mean, and then it'll tell us the standard deviation, which are our first two questions.
Okay.
Okay, so
Wait.
I got.
So how? Which one do you open?
Was there two wrong sites on yours?
Well, like, so I opened the thing that says wrong site, wrong patient.
Yeah.
And then it brought up all of this stuff. So
Then go to graphs, and then legacy dialogues, and then histogram. Just like we did on the last one.
Yeah, but like it opened like a web page.
Oh, when you clicked on wrong patient.
Yeah, yeah.
Or when you were in SPSS. Are you in SPSS with that data yet?
No, so that's like how. What am I supposed? Like it says. Am I supposed to like?
Go to go to your group meeting. So click on group meeting in iLearn.
Yeah.
And then there should be a file there already that you can click on. It says wrong site, wrong patient, and when you click on it, it'll take you to the statistics BYUImath.com page.
Yeah.
And then click Control F, and then type in wrong.
Okay.
And then it'll go. You want to go to the SPSS file, not the Excel file. So go down, and it'll be wrong site, wrong patient.sav.
Alright.
Did you get that?
Okay. Yep, I got it.
Okay. So you're in now.
Yep.
Okay. So now create a graph. So go to graphs, and then legacy dialogues, and then hit histogram again.
Okay.
Okay, so so the first question that's on here is, what is the mean of this graph? And so it asks you to type it in to the nearest whole dollar.
So
I got 80041.
yeah.
Okay. I did the wrong one because the second one down is different. So let me hurry and do that one.
Oh, is there two different ones on there?
Yeah.
See, because I got two, but I when I graphed them both, they were both the same.
Okay, let me see what I did wrong. Okay, wrong, patient wrong. I'll do the top one.
Okay.
And okay, and it gives me.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
they
it's
are
different.
They are different.
Yeah,
You're right.
Should we use that 80041? Top one?
That is really confusing.
Yeah.
Well, I guess let's look at what data is being described. Yeah. Okay, so one's wrong site and one's wrong patient.
So what are we supposed to do?
Okay, so let's look. It says, find the mean they had to pay in wrong site lawsuits.
Okay, so it's the top one.
Yes.
Okay, wrong site. Good. So that's the one that's the 80.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
80041.
So the mean dollar amount would be 80,041.
Yes.
Okay, so 80041.
And then for the standard deviation, I got 71404, so 71,404.
Right.
Okay.
71404.
Okay, so now keep that open. But it says here we have to find what the median survival time is for these given data.
Survival time. So we need to go back to what?
So I think we have to create our own here, is what I think, because it's giving us patients who survived for a certain amount of time. So we have to find the median of that group of numbers.
So the median would be the two middle ones added together, divided by
2, which is 4.
10.
Oh, wait.
19 and 1?
So but for the median you have to put them in order.
Right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah,
7.
You're right. So we go 1, 3, 5, and 19, and so 8 divided by 2 is 4.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so then what is the standard deviation?
Okay, never mind. I was thinking it said mean. I'm sorry.
The median.
Yeah.
So then we need to calculate the standard deviation.
So are we supposed to write that somewhere? Where is it at? Oh, right here. The median survival is 4, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So there's two ways I think we can do this. We can either calculate it, or we can put it into SPSS and see if it'll create a histogram, and then it'll tell us what it is.
Yeah,
but I think we should. I think we should try to do both, though, just so we can double check.
Okay.
But if SPSS.
Mackenzie's gone again.
Oh, she's frozen.
Yeah. So if we're trying to do it on SPSF, do we just go to a new? How do you open that? Just go to a whole new thing.
So if you just click up in the top, just click. It should say File, and then click New Data.
Oh, okay.
And then, so what was our numbers again? 1,
Okay.
1, 3, 5, and 19.
Oh.
Okay. Sorry, my internet cut out, so what did I miss?
Nothing yet. We're just trying to figure some things out on SPSF.
Okay.
5, 1, 3, 5, 19. Those were our numbers.
19. Yeah, do you remember how to take the decimal point off?
Yeah, so you go into variable view,
Okay.
and then there's a little thing
yeah,
that says
right there.
decimals. Yeah.
Go down to 0.
0. Okay, so let's make a histogram, and if the histogram says that the median, wait, actually, let me see, because the histogram won't tell us what the median is, but if we go to descriptive statistics, it should.
Oh,
So
yeah.
Let me see how that works. Okay.
So then we do that by doing the graph?
No, so it's...
No, it's analyze, descriptive, explore.
Yeah, it's analyze, descriptive, and explore.
And then it will give us all the statistics. We don't have to put anything on statistics. We don't need
Yeah, I don't think so. Yeah, I think that should, and it does say that the mean in here is 4. So I think that we can trust that the standard deviation on this is 8.165.
Yep.
I would assume that's correct.
Yeah, it says it on both of them. It says it on the
Histogram.
too.
Okay,
Yeah.
Cool. So it is. How much do they want to surround? To the nearest tenth. Do you guys know what the tenth is? Is that the first one?
Yeah. So 8.165 to 8.17.
8.17. Or is that?
I am always confused about that. The tenth, the hundredth is the third space, isn't it? Or is the tenth the first space?
The 10th is the first. Yeah, I just Googled it. The 10th is the first.
8.2.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, 8.2 months. Okay, cool. For questions 7 through 9, give a 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit. So we're going to want to go to wrong patient. So not wrong place, wrong site, which we had before. So we want to go to analyze, because that'll give us the 5-number summary.
Oh, I have to go back because there it is. Crap. I've got too many things open.
Yeah, me too. It's hard.
Okay, so we're on wrong site.
And we want to go to analyze, but we want to do we want to only analyze wrong patient.
Explore. Okay, I gotta do something different. I'm on my one we just created. So how do I get back to my old one? Untitled. Open. I might have to open it again. Okay, so we're going to analyze.
Uh-huh.
Let me see if I can get the right one. Oh, crap. I'm still on my one we just barely made up.
Okay, just exit out of that and just go re-download the wrong patient file from the website.
Okay, I got it. So we're going to analyze.
Are you still hearing us, Mackenzie? Okay.
Yeah.
So I can share
But my internet cut out again, and so I feel like I'm not in the same place as you guys.
Okay, so all we're doing. So did you get the standard deviation? She's cutting out again.
Okay, are we making a histogram for the wrong site?
No. We're analyzing it.
Is it the wrong site though? Is that what
it
we're
is
doing?
Wrong patient.
Oh, lasted. Okay, I'll try that again.
Can you hear us, Mackenzie?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah. So did you get the standard deviation for survival times on question number 6?
Hey,
Hello?
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 Can you hear us?
I can hear you.
Did you get
Hello?
question 6?
Yes.
Okay, we're on question 7.
Alright. Well, I put 8.2 for number 6.
Right.
Correct.
Right? Okay.
Right.
Now go back to your SPSS folder, and you're gonna wanna click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics,
Mhm.
and then Explore. And then you're gonna want to click
Okay.
Wrong Patient, not Wrong Site.
Okay. Got it.
Okay, so is everybody there now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the first number in the 5-number summary for the wrong patient lawsuit data?
So it's this minimum is 0.
Yes. The minimum is 0. Okay. What is the second number? So that's the first quartile. But I don't know where this shows the first quartile.
Okay, you go. Oh, this is what you have to do. So when you do that, so when you go to Analyze, Descriptive, Explore, then you
Yeah.
have to do statistics with it.
Okay, so
I mean
analyze.
percentiles with it. I meant to say
Oh,
percentiles.
correct. And so do you right-click it? Is that what you do?
So you go. So you got the thing on there, and then you just click on statistics, and then you go down and click on percentiles. Do you see where I'm talking?
Where's statistics at?
It's up on the right-hand side. So you go back into the same thing where you go analyze,
Okay, analyze, descriptive statistics, yeah.
right, and then you go to statistics. You have to make another box.
Oh, okay, and then which one is it?
So you go to statistics, and then you click on percentiles. Do you remember doing that?
I do, but I don't remember where, I don't see where percentiles is, because there was 2 ways to do it in the book.
Oh, so I just go on analyze, and then
Yep.
descriptive statistics, and then over to explore, and
Okay,
then you make sure that's the wrong patient. Is that the one we're doing?
yeah.
And then you go up on the right side where it says statistics.
Where does it say that at?
It's just right on the. I have to do it again. Okay, so you see where you put the arrow so it goes into the box you're supposed to go into?
To explore.
Yeah, push explore. Go to explore for sure.
Okay.
And then get on that one, and then put your wrong patient in there. And then
Okay.
statistics is right to the right. Can you see it? It says statistics, plots, and options over on the very right side of that box.
I am not seeing that.
I wish you could see this. Do you remember how you're supposed to find percentiles?
I remember reading it. Let me look real quick.
Okay, it's just right there. If you go analyze, descriptive, explore, and then you're gonna put your wrong reset. Make sure you put your wrong patient, and then put it over into your dependent list. And then right next to your dependent
Oh,
list.
yes. I remember now. Yeah, I do remember now. You have to create a new one. That's what I wasn't doing.
Oh, well then that's why it wasn't working.
Okay. Yes, I remember what it was now. Okay, so explore.
So on mine where it says the box where it says percentiles, I have 7.
You're cutting out on us, Mackenzie.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so like on mine where it says percentiles, I have 7 numbers there. Is that right or wrong?
Does it say 5 to 95%?
Right, yeah.
Okay, that's right then. Should be right.
So
Okay,
is that the same as the 5-number summary?
Yeah, well, the 5-number summary is your minimum, your first quartile, your second
Okay.
quartile, your third, and your max.
Okay.
So our first quartile is 25%. Does everybody agree with that? So that would be 3,900.
Yeah.
Is that what everybody got?
Okay, well, I'm having a hard time now. After I showed you how to do it, now I can't find it. I've done so many that now I can't find which one I'm on. So my minimum 0, my maximum is 125,000, 1,250,000. Then I'm trying to find where it shows me my
So
percentages.
it should be below that, just below that. It should say percentiles. You can make another one if it
Yeah, I
helps.
might have to do it because I've made so many that now I don't know.
Yeah, if you make another one, it'll be your latest one on there.
Top one. Okay, so analyze, descriptive, explore.
Percentiles.
Statistics, percentiles. Continue. Okay. Okay, so we're looking at
The 25th percentile, because isn't that your first quartile?
why do I have 30 and 70?
I do not know.
I don't know either.
Are you creating it for wrong patient?
Is that what I'm supposed to be doing?
Yeah, wrong patient.
Yeah. My statistics, descriptives. Maybe I put it on descriptives. Yeah, it's giving me 30% and 70%. That's weird.
That is not correct. I don't think.
Not correct. No, it's not. It's 25% and 75%, so I don't know why it's giving me those. So I'm just going to do it. I don't know why it's not doing it for me. Percentiles, continue, okay. So for 25 percentile, you're getting
3,900.
Are you just typing 3,900 or are you doing .00?
No, I'm just putting 3,900 in.
okay.
Oh, it says round to the nearest cent. I guess maybe you would put 00.
All right.
Okay, so
Oh, I found it.
okay,
Yay.
you got
I got it now. Yes, found it.
it. So then number 9 is our fourth quartile, which is our fourth number in the 5-number summary, which is our fourth quartile, or third quartile, I mean.
So it would
So
be the 75%, right?
yeah, so but there's giving us 2 there. Why is there 2 there?
They said something about that. We just do the top one.
Okay, top one. Okay, so that would be
5,437.
yeah, 50,436 and 50 cents.
So then and you round up, right?
Round to the nearest cent. So I think you just put it
So
in.
nearest cent, not nearest dollar. So it is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
I think you just put that number in.
Alright.
Okay.
436. I gotta put it in right.
50436.50.
50436.50.
Yep.
Okay. Last couple ones. 10. Okay, so now we're looking at this decision time at Redbox. Which is on there. Does everybody see that?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the third quartile of the Redbox decision times?
Okay, so the ends
That's
on
the
each of the
median.
are the ends on each are the whiskers,
that's-
and the middle
that's
is
the
the
whiskers.
median.
So the third quartile is the medium, which looks to be 100.
100.
That's what I would say.
Yep.
It's not. I don't know what it
It
is.
might be a tiny bit above, but
I don't know how we could tell that.
yeah, I think we're just gonna have to go with that. I mean, it might
100.
be a little bit above.
What is the longest observed time of Redbox customers in this study?
7 the maximum is like
700.
Should we
Yeah.
go 700 even though it's a little above that?
I do. I hate that. That's like so dumb.
Because
I know.
really, the 100 is probably a little bit above that, but how are we supposed to tell on that?
Well, okay, so number 12 says based on the blocks plot, what is the mean value? So the mean, it only gives us 105 as an answer. So it's not 100, because the mean and the third
Yeah, so
quartile are the
it's going to be
same.
105.
Yeah, so should we just do 105 then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what do you? So we just do 705 or 7?
That is so bad. Like 710 or I mean, is there a
Yeah.
place that we can see?
It kind of looks like, I don't know, 720, like a fifth of the way through. I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh,
That
that's
is.
so bad.
Yeah. How are we supposed to
Are
know
they-
that? How are we supposed to get that precise? And especially because it's asking us to put it in, so this is only going to be.
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll have to email our teacher if we get it wrong.
Because that's
Yeah.
crazy. Should we put 105 then, or
Yeah.
and then maybe
No,
7?
well, I don't know, because look, where the maybe 720. Yeah.
For
I
number
would
11.
do 105 and 720. Yeah. That's what I would. I think
Okay.
that's what we got to do.
And then 12 is 105, right?
Yeah.
Well, no, because wait a minute. 105 is the median, not the mean. Isn't the third one the median, or is it the mean?
Oh yes, that's right. You're correct.
Oh, okay.
So we don't know what the mean is. Unless we can
No.
figure out exactly what these numbers are, which we don't know. I mean, it would be
Yeah.
0, like 50.
Yeah, I don't think box plots give you the mean.
I don't think they do either.
So can't be determined.
I don't think it can be determined. I don't think that's something we can just wing because we just can't even tell what those numbers really are. I'm
It'll
afraid
tell us
we're
the-
going to get 10 and 11 wrong. I mean, I don't know. Just-
Yeah.
So I would say 105 and 720. That's how we decided.
yeah, that's what.
Yeah.
So yeah, I would email the teacher. We should email him afterwards.
And just say how, or is this? Does it say anything above it? Redbox is increasingly popular. Study was done in seconds based on the box plot. I mean, that is definitely above the 100 line, and that one's
Yeah.
definitely above the 700 line. So
Yeah. Yeah.
he's got to give those answers a little leeway.
So does
Yeah.
he grade this? Does he grade this personally? I
I
don't
think
know.
the
Well, he
computer
said
grades it.
Yeah, that's what he said in his little video thing.
I think
Okay.
it's computerized, so I'm wondering if the computer will give it like 100 to 110 and 700 to 700.
Maybe.
40
Maybe.
or-
I guess.
But-
Is everybody good? Is there
Do
any
we
questions?
dare push go?
Yeah. Do we all just hit submit and dive in?
Yeah.
Okay.
We
Okay.
might as well.
Okay.
Here we go. Your answers will be uploaded. Are you sure?
Yes, it marked it wrong. It marked number 10 wrong.
But not number 11. That's
So we
weird.
got 11 right. So we looked at that right. I
I
guess.
we got 11, right?
Third quarter. Oh, we did it wrong.
Oh, great.
For the third quartile is the 75th percent. It would be like the 175.
Oh yeah, that's right. We did do
We
it
just
wrong.
did. We just didn't look at
Okay,
it right.
Not-
I thought
Not
that.
the, it's not the third 5 number somewhere.
Yeah.
It's the third quartile.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
that
thought,
was
I
tricky.
thought that's what it was, but I didn't say anything because I thought you guys would be right.
Mackenzie, speak up.
Yes,
Yeah,
you need to speak up.
Thought of it wrong.
Sorry.
Oh well,
Okay. Oh well, we got a 92. Good job.
that's pretty good.
Okay. So
Okay.
sounds good. I'll post this onto the board and then we'll meet Monday at 8 o'clock a.m.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
See ya.
Thanks,
sounds
guys.
good.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.